You know, just now to Big Bella, like bro. Now to Big Shags, like Big Shags. Come on. Now and to Ultimate Light Skin, what's up? Like, and to Rachel, what's up? And to Chomzy, what's up? You know the vibe. No, Brian not the like person life. No go swear for me. No, Brian not like the show for life. Alright guys, so we outside. Ultimate Light Skin, yo. Ultimate Light Skin. We outside. You know what?
Don't forget my name.
Oh sorry, Pink Panther.
It's Groovy for today.
Okay, oh he's Groovy for today. When you're fine. When
you're big, you're big.
When you're big, you're big, you're big. When you're happy, you're big.
This life no balance.
I'm telling you, just try the happy, get where.
Try chop first, I never chop.
I say try chop first, I never chop.
What that thing you usually say?
Which one?
That one you said, they not be you others. Like that.
Okay. Now you they shout to your outside. But not be you they buy.
I like that thing.
They don't bring big come now, you they press your phone.
I like that thing I said.
Yo!
Phyna the winner.
Phyna the winner, of course.
But this is like giving me to people.
Exactly, yeah? Yeah?
Show them my feet.
Okay. So guys, we're about to see Bella's feet. Damn! Okay, we're checking everybody right now, though. Oh, stop it. Like, stop it. Yo, feet check. Yo. Yeah. You know the vibe. Giddy. Oh, stop jaw. Choosing one name. With the check on. It's giving. Okay, this is my work for today. With the check on. Who they? Hey. Who okay, cause they wear earring way. We are checking it, Maki. We are showing them feet. Okay. Who they? 9 feet today. Hello swag. Are you mad that we are showing feet? Oh yeah, stay. All right.
Okay.
Who else do you Joya, fuck.
Phyna, what's up? What's up, Phyna? You said it right? No. Oh, why should I? Come on, take. Come on, stand there. How's my camera? daughter of Zion for Cape Town. Tomato. Yeah. It's actually very
So I'm going off live right now. See you guys later. And don't forget, I see fire everywhere, pepper everywhere, fire everywhere, pepper everywhere. Chineke mo, Chineke mo, Chineke mo. Everybody's saying shit right now on my life. Those bastards coming on my life to cap nonsense. I didn't listen, I know they see on, but bro, if you know you're a bastard and you don't like me and you're on my life, bro, fuck you, B. And I will continue to say it, and I'll say it again. If you say you hate me, if you say you don't like me, but bro, the fact that I'm saying this in Cape Town right now is really giving me joy. I'm not saying it in Nigeria, I'm saying it in Cape Town. You're roasting in Nigeria right now. Yeah, son, they kill you for Nigeria right now. If you never chop right now, but bro, I did Cape Town chopping live, and I put it to you.
Me personally, like, if you like, as you're sitting here now, use everything expensive to bait. If you use and gum your face, I'm not seeing you. I am happy for my 100 naira. You can have something big like this and I'll have small. The way I will celebrate that my small. You that you have big one, you'll be feeling somehow. That's how I was brought up. And I believe that's something that really kills a lot of our girls. Just calm down, do you regardless. If anybody too poor body, you change her for who they.
The way we see the top male artists feature each other or upcomers, or you know, the top females are not doing it. I've seen situations whereby a male artist will just pick up someone from and make the person out. I've not seen female pick up a female. The main mamas them that we know that we have, they are not doing it.
As it can also be fair.
Yeah, that's true. You know, we ladies, we have wahala.
Yeah.
You can go and help somebody now.
Exactly.
Pro, go drag you down.